Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an absolutely amazing wither farm. That's right, guys. And if you guys enjoy seeing these Minecraft farm videos, then make sure to go ahead and scroll on down and smash that red subscribe button with everything you got, guys. And also, make sure to let me know in the comment section below if you guys do want to see me do any other kind of Minecraft farms, because I will try to do it, guys. I will try to do it. I'm trying to make like a ton of Minecraft farms for you guys. But basically what you're going to need to do to make this wither farm is you're going to have to find a nice piece of flat land, and then you're going to need some nether brick fence, guys, and you just want to go ahead and you want to fence off the surrounding area where you actually want your farm, because you do not want any of these withers getting out, guys, because if any of these withers get out, it's going to be a bad day for you, because they will blow up your houses, and they will blow up your friends' houses, and they'll blow up everything, guys. Not to say that the fence will necessarily protect you from this like disastrous attack, because more than likely they might blow up the fence and still attack your house, guys, unless they're like really in love with each other and they just want like Minecraft peace, bro. Like, if that's the case, then they probably won't mess up anything. At least not too much, unless they get together and like go absolutely crazy and start blowing up everything. I've actually had that happen before. But after you have fenced it out, guys, and you know, got a good idea of how big it's going to be, now you just want to go ahead and take your brown concrete. You just want to start digging out some of these dirt blocks, because you're actually going to have to fill it in. I'm actually going to go ahead and do this super quick. Watch. Whoa, guys, did you see how fast I digged out those dirt blocks? That was absolutely insane. Wasn't that insane? Like, I must be like the fastest Minecrafter ever. But basically what you're going to need to do now is you're just going to have to go ahead and put this brown concrete all throughout here, guys. Make sure you leave a couple of holes open, because you're actually going to have to put your purple concrete in those holes, because the purple concrete is the secondary color to this farm, guys. I feel like it just puts it all together and makes it look really epic, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to, you know, I'm going to be the fastest Minecrafter ever again, guys. Watch. Wow, guys, didn't I tell you I was going to be the fastest Minecrafter ever again? And look at the results. Don't this look absolutely amazing? Now I'm just filling in the holes with the purple concrete, because you got to have that secondary color just to kind of bring it all together, guys, and make people look at it and be like, wow, that looks cool. That looks epic. I want to make one of those. Like, my friend actually built one of these outside of his mansion, guys. That's actually kind of where I got the idea from, except he used black, brown and purple to do it. I'm just using brown and purple because that's all I really like, guys. If you want to add black to it, you could, and if you also wanted to make this like a witherstone farm, you also could, guys. That would be absolutely insane and epic, guys. I would really love to see one of those. But now it's time to go ahead and build the wither statues. You just want to go ahead and put one right there, knock out the middle block, and then you just want to go ahead and probably put one right here as well, guys. I'm probably going to build like 3 or 4 in total, so let's go ahead and knock that out. I'm also going to go ahead and build one right here. I'm probably just going to do 3 because I don't want to overcrowd it, guys. And now what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and take your mob spawners, and you just want to go ahead and you want to place those right in the middle. So go ahead and place those mob/monster spawners right there, guys. And don't those look absolutely amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and find like I want to put some trees in here, guys, because I think trees would look really nice. So let's go ahead and get some dark oak leaves, and also let's go ahead and get some spruce wood, because I think those are probably, you know, the best combinations to put inside this farm. So let's go ahead and put 2 of them, because I want to make 2 trees, guys. And I feel like trees really do look epic when you build them yourself. Like, I try to do the whole bone meal freeze, but for some reason they're like always awkward and like droopy and droopy, and like it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and build these on out. So let's go ahead and keep building this tree until we get it perfect, guys, because I really want a perfect tree for this perfect farm. And I think that's pretty good, guys. I think those are pretty good trees right now, guys. I'm probably just going to leave them like that. So let's go ahead and build another wither statue, guys. And wow, this farm is really shaping up to be one of the best farms I've ever made. Now it's time to go ahead and put these supercharged withers in here, guys. I'm actually going to have these supercharged withers actually verse the regular withers, guys. And we're going to see exactly what kind of damage it can do to these farms, guys. Let's go ahead and put these wither heads on. Oh my god, whoa! They're already trying to fight each other. Do not fight each other, guys. You guys need to fight these withers. And let's go ahead and see what happens. Whoa, that's already a lot of damage, guys. I feel like our farm has already got destroyed by these guys. Oh my god. Whoa, he's spinning like crazy, guys. He is absolutely spinning like crazy, guys. And I kind of figured this would happen. I mean, if you put two withers together, nothing would have happened because withers actually don't fight each other. But these guys, these supercharged withers, want to like fight, like throw it down with the regular withers. So let's go ahead and see if they can actually even take on the regular withers, guys. Like, I feel like they're gonna all end up getting killed. Like, oh my god, whoa, they're actually like fighting each other, guys. Like, come on, fight the withers. Oh my god, I think the one wither's trying to fight me. That's crazy. Don't try to fight me, bro, or else I'll have to come down there and fight you. Like, I don't want to fight you, but I will fight you. And ooh, he took some damage, but it seems like he got his health back. And ooh, the one just took some damage as well, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are the withers double teaming up on these guys? The withers are actually fighting together to try to stay alive right now, guys. But wow, that was an absolutely massive explosion. That would definitely damage all of your Minecraft property, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this absolutely amazing wither farm, guys, just don't put no supercharged withers in this farm, guys. That's all I can say. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.